How to change the watch orientation or the preferences. So if you're wearing your OnePlus Watch 2 on your left hand or on your right hand, you want to change the orientation of the buttons, appearance, and control toggles. Okay, so where you wear it, where you can easily access the buttons here. So I'll show you now how to get into these settings. While viewing the clock face here, you can use the quick panel access like this here by swiping from the very top and tap on the settings icon right there. When you tap on the settings icon, you'll be taken to the main settings of your OnePlus Watch 2. As you go down, you want to keep going down until you see the part that says Other. That's the last option to the bottom. Under the Other section here, you'll see System Settings. Tap on that one time, and then you'll see Preferences. Tap on that once, and this is where you can change the orientation style of your watch. So if you're wearing it on your left hand, keep it on the left, and when you switch it to the right side here, you will wear it on the right side. Then you can change the buttons as the direction they are. So if I switch it to the left now, you will see this will happen. It's going to restart your watch here, and the buttons will now be on the other side, okay? And of course, you'll be able to wear your watch on the right side like this here. So I'll just wait for it to restart. So once the once the smartwatch has been restarted, you'll notice now the buttons, if you're wearing it on the right hand, and the buttons are this way here, the menu and options will be faced to the left so that you can easily view them while the buttons are on this side here. And of course, if you want to do this again, go ahead. You'll just need to restart the watch and come back to the left side, like and sub.